Hello everyone, this is Pallavi and I am going to present the progress of my master thesis project, that is emotion recognition from the videos using images from publicly available sources. I am being guided by Dr. Sumit Kalra sir and Dr. Sumandaka ma'am. Below are the contents that we are going to cover today. Our project is basically divided into three phases, phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, and we are going to cover the presentation what we have done as part of phase 1. I problem statement and objective. Coming to the motivation and the statement of our project is based upon analyzing the impact of how the current online available video sources are actually emotionally impacting the viewers on in this world. So currently we don't have any kind of data set which is already existing which is capturing the sequence of emotions for uh, already available video source. So we are going to analyze the impact. My purpose of this project is going to analyze the impact of these videos on teenager basically. I problem statement and objective. Coming to the little bit of background about emotions and the researches which has happened previously. The emotions are basically things which help us determine the psychological behavior of any individual. So there are multiple things which a human brain is observing, and he might be getting some kind of emotional impact from whatever aids, yeah, visual things he is observing on this earth. So here in this project, we are basically we have classified our emotions into certain categories, and these are all derived from the basic six emotions of happiness, sadness, surprise, anger, fear. So from those could see, and we have identified around 56 emotions which are being used as the classes for our data set. I problem statement and objective. Our master thesis project is divided into three phases. So here are those: phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, split across the three semesters of our course. So this semester we have completed the phase 1 part where we were analyzing some publicly available videos, be it a movie or series. So we have gone through the movie or series and extracted some emotions or categories which will be uh, which can be used for analyzing the emotional impact that video is making on us. So for that, I tried to take series where we have mixture of emotions present in it already. So after identifying the categories or classes of emotions, which will be helpful for our journey in creating the data set for this particular task. On identifying the video, we have performed an image extraction algorithm on the video dataset, and we have considered the time interval of extracting the frame across the video as 5 seconds. So here we have taken the Netflix series Sherlock Holmes, in which we have considered 5-second time interval for extracting the frame. As it is a very fast-paced series, 5 seconds seems to be very appropriate for not to have any kind of duplicacy as well as redundant information. Upon extracting the images, we have performed data cleansing, that is pre-processing task. We have removed the irrelevant images or duplicate images which we felt from the video. After that, since we considered multiple the series is of 12 episodes, we downloaded it from some different sources in order to and each of the videos were having different resolutions. So in order to get each of the image into single size and single resolution size, so we applied the resize algorithm and have resized all the images into a single image resolution. Once we have the image dataset ready, we have performed manual labeling on the dataset, and after completing the manual labeling portion, we are able to identify which all are the most prominent emotions across the dataset. So this is the task which we have completed till now, and for the future phase 2 and phase 3, we will be creating a machine learning model to analyze the emotional impact on different age groups. For me, it is teenagers. We have two members who are doing this project, me and Anindya from our batch, executive batch. And I will be considering the age group for teenagers, and he will be working upon some other age group. Now, a second phase, after creating the machine learning model, we will be working on identifying how the change in emotion for the sequence of images is taking place. That is where the videos, how the sequence of images in that video particularly is impacting the emotion. Then for phase 3, we will be left over with improvising the model depending on the results which we will be getting from phase 2 of that project. That's all as part of architecture.
Hi, problem statement and objective.
Algorithm which we have used for image extraction and image resizing while doing data cleansing and data extraction from the videos. The overview of the results obtained, we have created a unique data set with using the Netflix detective series Sherlock as our base video source. And here the videos were of varying sizes for from 400 MBs depending on the resolution, low to high resolution. And we have extracted around 12,697 images exactly from, with the resolution of 640 and 360 pixels, which we have resized and got it as these values were varying across the four seasons of the uh, series. And finally, we have identified some 56 unique emotions for which will be used for performing the multi-class classification in our next phase. And here you can see the snapshot of the dataset obtained also with some of the labels which are being extracted from that particular image. You can go through the dataset link for further queries. Broadly classified are all the 56 emotions into whether it is a kind of positive emotion or a negative emotion, and this is the graph which is depicting the same. We could see there are some six emotions which can be either positive as well as negative depending on the situation as well. So we cannot classify those few of the emotions exactly. Created a completely novel data set which is of 56 classes depicting the emotional impact of the video frame on the target viewer. Now we will be using this for our future work that is going to be analyzing the actual impact of the sequence of emotions on the viewers falling under the category of teenagers.